Hi, do you know you can start building your mobile applications without having any programming knowledge? Yes, it is very possible. Now the world is advancing and things are actually changing. Things have changed from having to cram a lot of code, so having to write up a lot of codings before you can build a mobile application. But now there are a lot of ways whereby you can start building your mobile applications for people and for yourself without having any programming skills or any coding knowledge. So in this course, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start building and creating your mobile applications, how you can monetize your mobile applications through Google admobs or other ad networks, and also how you can create a Google developer account where you can publish your mobile application. Yes, and also a step-by-step video guides on how you can publish your application onto Google Playstore. So in this course, I'm going to be teaching us a lot of things. I'm going to be showing us how we can create different types of applications, such as converting your website into mobile applications and publish it on Google Play Store, and also monetizing it, and also how to create a TV mobile application, how to create a chat application, how to create a forum application, how to create an e-commerce application, how to create a web application, how to create a quiz application. So there are a lot of ways whereby you can actually build this different type of application, and in this course I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do them, how you can monetize them. Now imagine creating applications for people. You can actually charge them and they pay you a lot of money. How a lot of people have built applications for, and I charge them reasonable amount of money. So it depends on how much you want to charge them. And even aside charging people for building applications for them, you can also build a valuable apps for yourself and put it on Google Play Store, place an ads on it, and you keep on earning a lot of money. So what are we going to be learning in this course? Yes, number one thing is that you are going to be learning how to create mobile applications, different type of application, a step-by-step video guides, and also a PDF guides on how you build different types of application, how you can convert applications, how you can choose your app name, your app icon, how to design your app, how to add sections and content inside your applications. Also, how to monetize your application is another thing we are going to be teaching in this course, as well how to get a Google developer account and how to publish your application onto Google Play Store. Who are the people that actually need this course? People without programming skills or coding knowledge. People who actually want to earn passive income. People who really want to start mobile app development. People who have no experience about anything called mobile applications. People who want to build up their financial status. People also who want to learn new skills and develop.